In this tutorial, we will be working with image sequences in After Effects. So let's, first of all, you need to have images to do an image sequence. So within Photoshop, what I did was I made a whole bunch of images, and I just sort of randomly made those so you can see them. And I just went in there and used different colorized differently the hue and saturation. And you can do this with people walking. You can do it anytime that you need to have a series of images. So there are the images in Photoshop. And now let's open up After Effects. And we'll import our images. If we click on the first one, you notice suddenly we have a sequence available. And we want to make that into a picked sequence. It's not alphabetical, it's numerical, so we'll leave that unselected. And we'll just go OK. And we'll notice here it comes in a deck of cards. We still don't have our composition. So before I get my composition, I want to see how long it is. I'll go into Interpret Footage, Main. This will set our frame rate and if we're looping it or not. And so let's set our frame rate as, say, 6 frames a second. And we'll loop it 10 times. And now we can easily drag this down here. And if we drop it on this icon, that will create a sequence for us, the same length and size as our images or image sequence. If we play that, we see there are the sequences. So all that remains to do is to turn that into a movie. So we'll go Composition, Make Movie, make sure we know where we're saving it. We'll save it on the desktop as fun, and we will render our file. Okay, when it's done, we'll get that little sound. We'll find our movie. And here it is, fun. And here's our movie. And that is sequences in After Effects.